Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a repository file in GitHub. First, securely log into your GitHub account. This is the initial, essential step for managing your code efficiently. Navigate directly to your main profile page where all your repositories are clearly listed for easy access. Find the specific repository you need, perhaps using the powerful search bar if you manage many projects. Click its name to access its contents and begin the process of removal. Once you are inside your chosen repository, you need to locate the exact file you want to remove. Carefully browse through the file structure, navigating any necessary folders to reach the file's precise location. For instance, a file might be nested 3 or 4 directories deep. After finding it, simply click on the file's name to open its content view, preparing it for deletion. With the target file now open in your browser, locate the Delete button. This crucial button is usually positioned in the top right corner of the file viewing area, often appearing as a small trash can icon. Clicking this button initiates the deletion process, but rest assured, the file is not immediately gone. GitHub will typically prompt you to confirm your intent, ensuring you do not accidentally remove important work. After initiating the deletion, GitHub will redirect you to a new page where you must commit your changes. This is a vital step. Provide a clear and concise commit message in the designated box, perhaps something like delete old README file. You then have the option to commit directly to the main branch or create a new branch, offering flexibility for your workflow. Finally, click the Commit Changes button to finalize the removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.